Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 101. In this video, we're going to take a look inside of the boombox portion of the stereo microcassette recorder. The model of this is a Fisher PH-M88. I'm going to take the antenna off first. Nothing special, just a regular telescopic antenna. Before we go any further, let's take a look at the information plate here. And as you saw in there, it uses C-cell batteries. Before we go any further, let's take a look at the connectors and controls. Standard RCA line in, line out, external speakers, headphones, and DC in. On the top here we've got tuning, a switch for AM FM, a stereo mono switch, and a function switch to switch between tape and radio. This side has volume, balance, and tone, and a power switch. Now it's time to take it apart. I went ahead and got the screws out. This does have arrows pointing at each screw that needs to be removed in order to get inside. Now this should just pull apart. You can see the white wire that leads to the antenna, and that connects to the board right here. Here's the other end of the wire where it connects to the telescopic portion. Here's the AM antenna and one of the speakers. Let me see what other screws I have to pull out of here to get under this board. I gotta go find a different screwdriver. I went ahead and got the screws out. I had to disconnect a couple of ground wires here. They connect on here somewhere. I'm trying to remember where. Right here. The power LED is still attached, so I'm very limited on how much I can move this board. But we can look at the underside. That black connector under my thumb is where the microcassette recorder hooks up. This part right here. So when this is docked, it connects kinda like that, if I have it in the right position. Now I do. And here is pretty much a standard stereo amplifier and AM/FM radio circuit. Here's the tuner. And that's controlled from right here. So when I put this back together, I obviously have to make sure everything is lined up just right. Now this chip has a shield over it. Probably won't be getting the numbers off of that one. Alright, I was gonna take the shield off and take a look at it, but I decided against it because everything works on this radio right now, and I just don't want to risk messing it up somehow. Anyway, let's take a little closer look at how they laid the board out. They even have it labeled for the AM oscillator. There's adjustments here for AM and FM. And over here is the amplifier circuit, and it's even labeled there. And that's as far as I'm willing to go into this. Now hopefully I can remember where those ground wires hooked up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.